three friends came out. We now kidnapped her and took her to the forest. We raped her. We killed her. We pour her acid.
Please, my people, be very careful with the people wey we dey deal with them. As in if you wan do something, no go alone. You no suppose go alone for this kind recession wey all of us take dey inside like this. Anyways, my people, welcome to this YouTube channel. I be KONGOSSA&GOSSIP TV. Good morning, good afternoon, every time wey you take come across this video. For here we dey do celebrity gossip and social media wahala. The matter for today na about a lady wey im name be called as Joy Saturday, wey this man wey una dey see so for una screen, a certain Mr. Ruben with his three friends take join hands send the woman to RIP. My people, the matter hurt my chest, the matter pain me. I said no, make her bring am to the limelight. I said make her bring and come share am with you people. My people, for the recession will take day, like I talked before, you no suppose go alone for any kind place where you want to go, because the person where you dey go meet, you know the 100% sure say the person he had take clean for inside. Make una see how a human being they take talk about how they handle another fellow human being. My people, man inhumanity to man, 9 days at the order for this recession or for this century where we dey take leave. This woman na hustler. She don't first of all contribute her first 250,000, my people, take buy the first piece of land. Now this man take connive with him friends again, take call this woman, tell and say, another piece of land deal. If you get money, make you come, make we show you place where the land deal. If you are interested, you buy the land. My people, this is how this lady still leaves her house and goes to meet this man. My people, she no know say as she dey go so she dey simply and easily enter RIP just like that. The man take connive with his friends, that is, they forcefully chop the woman pomo. They use their rotten walking stick take enter the woman pomo. Therefore, as if that one not do, my people, they send the woman for RIP, as in make she go meet up her ancestors before her time. As if that one not still rich, my people, they come carry acid now, pour am for the woman body. My people, this one na inhumanity raised to the power infinity. I see am, I say no, I no feel leave my people, make they no see am. Anyways, my people, I get the video here where they take explain everything. I go leave and make una watch the video, but before that, I beg of you, if you dey here and never subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like the video, smash that notification bell so that whenever I upload the video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. I thank you for all the support you give this channel. I will see you next time on my next video. As of now, I am out. Let me hurry to the street to grab more amebo. Love you all. Choose.
When you look at some of these cases, you begin to wonder, where are we heading to? So much wickedness, so much violence. Ruben, who hails from Eche in Rivers State, had earlier sold a piece of land to one Joy Saturday. Joy Saturday is a hard-working mother of 4, a petty trader who labored so hard to put together the first 250,000 naira to buy a plot of land for him. Thereafter, he lured this lady, pretended there is another vacant land for sale. Joy Saturday accompanied Prince to the bush side ostensibly on an inspection. Unknown to this innocent, hardworking woman, Prince Reuben had conspired with 3 other of his friends, namely Nwaba, Promise, and Chinedu. During that inspection tour, Joy was kidnapped by these men. They took her into the forest, gang raped her, stole the only cash sum with her, 20,000 naira, and then shot her to death. After killing her, they poured acid on her body and then threw her body into the forest. Nwaba, Chinedu, and Promise are currently at large. These 3 young men are from Olapo in Eche, in River State. If I were using this opportunity to appeal to the good people of Eche and the good people of River State, or anybody that has got any information whatsoever that could help the law enforcement agents, particularly the police, to locate these suspects, please do us this favor, do your conscience the favor, and do this country the favor in passing this information to any of the DPOs closest to you, the police public relations officer in River State, or straight down here at the STS office, IRT office, or even the Force Public Relations office.
My name is Prince Reuben.
Why are you here?
I am here for the killing of Miss Joy Saturday. So on that day, I went to my working place. She called me on phone that she's coming to see the land. I said okay, that I went to work, that my closing time is by 4. She said okay, no problem, that when I close I should call her. So before then, my 3 friends told me that they are going to kidnap her and make money from her. I said okay, no problem. So on that day, they hung inside the bush. Then I took her to the land. So she saw the land. Then my 3 friends came out. We now kidnapped her and took her to the forest. We raped her. We killed her. We poured her acid.